Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to complete the Poly Hall housing application for Santa Rosa Junior College students. For this tutorial, we will use a sample student profile. You can visit this website to access the application. Then, click on this link to take you to the application. After that, it's gonna take you to the website that looks like this. First, you will need to create your Poly Hall housing account by enter your name, phone number, email address, and create a password. If you are unable to enter a non-US phone number, you can use our office number that's on the screen. Every question with a red asterisk is a required field and you must provide an answer. Select how you heard about Poly Hall housing. Then, click Agree to the term and policy to create an account. After creating your account, it's gonna take you to this website to select your lease term and floor plan. For the lease term, there are three options: full year, which is 12 months, academic year, not including the summer, or spring only. For the floor plan, there are single, double, deluxe single with your own private bathroom, or the 6-bed 2-bath, which includes a shared kitchen and living room, with or without a roommate. Choose the best option for you. Note that the rates and dates are subject to change. Now complete the basic information section. Enter your personal information and contact details. Your name should match your passport or your official identification. Again, if you're unable to enter a non-US phone number, you can use our office number. Under Secure Information, if you answer no to the US citizen and SSN questions, then you will be prompted to upload a picture of your passport. Next, enter your current address information, starting with the country. Then, you can enter the vehicle information if you have it. Most ISP students don't have cars. SRJC students can ride the bus for free. Finally, there are some general questions to determine housing eligibility. Answer these honestly and let us know if you have any questions. Next is the roommate preferences. This section helps the housing team match compatible roommates, indicate your study habits, sleep schedule, and cleanliness preferences or cultural differences. Next, as a guarantor is a person who agreed to be financially responsible for your lease but will not live in the apartment. You will also provide an emergency contact who can be reached if needed. This person does not need to be in the United States. After completing all the sections, review your application summary to confirm the information is correct. Before submitting your application, review the housing policy document. To finalize your application, type your full name as your electronic signature. After submitting the application, you will be prompted to complete the housing application payment. Some international payment systems require a zip code. If your card does not have a zip code, you may enter 5 zeros to complete the payment. After submission, the Poly Hall housing team will review your application and contact you with the next steps and move-in information.